So this is Ron, and that's Mr. Victor, and this is going to be our channel. It's a slightly irrelevant or irreverent view of living with a cockatoo, and it's not for kiddies, right, Mr. Victor? Mr. Victor is quite obscene sometimes. He's an obnoxious little bastard. So it's about living and dealing with a insane 2-year-old mentality toddler. Dude, what are you doing? You've already broken the phone. Come on. I know you look so pretty. Everybody out there thinks you look pretty. So, anyways, folks, enjoy. And this is Mr. Victor signing off.